Check out this 2020 Toyota Corolla LE sedan with a clean Carfax and one owner. It has a unique pink wrap with the original black paint underneath. With dealer service history and over $525 in recent service, including spark plugs and a fresh oil change, it's been well taken care of. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We've also completed a recent computer scan showing a clean bill of health with no pending codes or dash lights. It's ready to roll with current Georgia state emissions. We encourage pre-purchase inspections. Remember, price reductions will void the CPO status, so act fast. Visit us today and drive away in this well-maintained Toyota Corolla.